Got the binding tape off now, so it's starting to look better. I'm doing a little fill job on the around the neck there. Had some little troubles there, and anyway, had to scrape the F-holes, and so starting to clean up a little bit, a little more finish work. This is my second time wiring this. Sorry for the huge mess here. I wanted to point a couple of things out. My first time, besides the fact that I had used the potentiometers that came with it, which I didn't really care for, I didn't, even though I built this cardboard jig to figure out where everything was, I didn't have enough space, didn't have enough wire to get everything to fit in real well. And then when I was putting things in, wires were getting all tangled up, and so that was a problem. So this next time I went ahead, I added on a little bit of length to the wires to the pickups because they were too short, and I also added on a little bit of length to all of the components, and then I also kind of zip tied up different things so that when I'm putting them in, I don't have 15 different wires. I've got essentially 2 different wire routes, and then the pickups. Another thing that I didn't realize until I was looking at it, I had to actually email them. Supposedly this is the front pickup here with the thin pickup thing, and this is the back pickup with the thicker one. Now when I put it on, this one sits way far away from the string, so I'm just going to have to raise it up quite a bit, probably almost all the way up, and I'm going to have to do there. So finish is working, finish is going. Got it hanging up. Put a little bit of True Oil on it this morning. I'm on the 3rd coat of True Oil now, and it's starting to look pretty good. Okay, so an update. It's looking good. Got the hardware in and got the pickups adjusted. Had to do quite a bit of adjustment on this one to get it up to level. Got knobs on. It's looking pretty. Finish is looking good. I think that's 6 coats of True Oil rubbed on, and I got the trim all set up and everything, and did have a problem which I'll talk about later, but see that hole there? I probably saw this on another video and didn't realize it. That's the hole to put your strap button on, but there's no wood, no solid wood in there, so it just stripped out. So I'm going to have to plug that hole and refinish that section, which is, you know, not a big deal. I did do quite a bit of work on the frets. I did a full fret job on it. Now I'm getting ready to do the nut. This nut is about twice too high. I put a feeler gauge under. You can see it, 18,000, and yeah, it just, you can, yeah, it's not even coming close to touching it. So anyway, that's what I'm working on now.